Good morning, students. So here we are doing some programs of switch statements of your book. So this is the solution of question number 32. In this, you have to input a number in single digit and print the name of that number in words. So import java.util.star class demo void input scanner sc equal new scanner system dot in for taking a data from scanner class. Integer n is a variable. Enter a number and we are inputting a number sc dot next int inside n. Switch of n, so if the value of n is equal to 0, so we will print a 0. Then there is the break statement. But if the value of n is equal to 1, then we will print a 1 in words, then break. Similarly, we will print 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And after each case we require the break statement, otherwise this will become a fall throws and all cases will be executed. And at the last there is the default case. So if any number is not matched to a case, then we will print a invalid a number. Similarly, there is the question number 35. In this question we have to input a character, and the character may be in a capital letter or a small letter, and we will print a name of the designation based on the input character, whether the character is in a capital letter or a small letter. So starting is same, import java.util.star class demo void input. We have first declared the object of class scanner sc equal new scanner system dot in. Taking a one variable character ch, enter a character, and this is the line for taking a single character from the user. Switch of ch, so if the value of ch is equal to capital M or small m, then we will print a manager. So this should be on the second case, because if the user enter the value capital M, so this will come from here, so the manager will be print. But if we are writing this one on the first line on in front of first case, so when the user will enter a small m, the manager will not print. Similarly, for capital P and small p, we are printing here the producer. Capital C and small c, there is the message chartered accountant. Capital E or small e, engineer, and a capital O and a small o, there is a officer. Or if any case is not matched, then we will print a invalid character. So here we are printing in a invalid character in default case. And this is the solution of question number 36 of your book. In this you have to input a 2-digit number. If the number is not in 2-digit, then print a message invalid number. Or if the number is 36, then system should print on the screen 36. If the number is a 46, then system should print on the screen 46. So starting is same, import java.util.star class demo void input scanner sc equal new scanner system.in. First we have to declare a variable for input a number. This is for extracting a first digit, and this is for the second digit. Enter a number, and the integer line is n equal sc.nextInt. Now we are checking here the condition. If the value of n is greater equal 10 and less than equal 99, so this is the valid. first number we are extracting and divide by 10, so this will give the first digit, and modulus of 10, this will give the second digit. And here we have just call a function print. So in print function we are passing our first and second digit, and before that there is a one space. So when this will first print will be invoked, so here this will come on this print function. If we are not using the function programming in this program, we have to write 2 times printing of a single digit number from 0 to 9. So void print integer of n, so this is just a previous program. If the value of n switch n, so this is the, if this is a single digit, so this will be print a 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 up to 9. So suppose the number is a 46, so first this will go to on a 4, after that there will be a space, and we are printing, we are again calling as a function print. This will take a second digit, go to the switch statement and print according to that in words. Or if the number is not in a valid range, then this will directly come on the else portion and print a invalid number.